back to my channel. Thank you for being here. And please, thank me for being here. No, seriously. Thank me for being here. JK, JK, LOLs all around. Today what I'm going to be doing is demonstrating how I did this gorgeous, subtle, everyday, smoky eye look. So just a quick life update for those of you who know me personally, and if you don't yet, get to know me. I'm not that bad. I recently got engaged. My man did good! And let me tell you, we are also in the process of purchasing a home. I don't know what's going on in my life. I'm trying to buy a house. I'm trying to not plan my wedding, but I'm secretly planning my wedding, you know? I have so much in my brain, and I cannot even begin to comprehend what I'm doing. All this going on, and I still look this damn good. No, so we went looking at houses this weekend, and I am the worst person to go house hunting with because I love everything. We saw like 5 houses, and I'm like, I can see myself living in every single one. I'm gonna raise a family in every house. I don't care which one we choose. My fiance is like, babe, this one's only 800 square feet. We have 2 85-pound dogs. I'm like, I'll make it work. I can make it work. Thank God that he's reasonable because I am just not. But that's a little quick update on the house hunting. We have not found anything yet, but we are very hopeful and I'm nervous. Seriously, we're really hopeful and I know the right house will come up. No worries there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my makeup. Somebody requested I do a subtle smoky eye everyday type of look, and this is my interpretation of it. This is what I would wear as a subtle smoky eye, because when I do a smoky eye, I do drag queen. I do Miss Thing. You know, I do like, my lashes are out to here. I do like a smoky eye. Like you can't see through the smoky eye. This is my subtle everyday smoky eye look. And again, I don't talk during my videos because I don't fucking know how to edit it correctly. So I'm gonna mute it. We're gonna put some elevator music in the background or maybe some anime music. I'm not gonna push that on you guys yet. So if you're invited to my wedding, please know that half of the music in the wedding are anime openings. Yes, they are. All right, so I'm gonna mute the video, put some music in the background. I'm gonna go step by step and show you how I got this look today. Check it out. Alright guys, so my camera died while I was filming the last part of my makeup. The only thing that I did was I added, let me zoom in. All I did was add a highlight right to the inner corner of my eye. And then what I did was I used the exact same colors that are on my lid. I smoked out my bottom waterline with it. Yeah? What'd you think of the video? Wasn't bad, right? I'm getting a little better at it. Those of you who are new to my channel, I really appreciate you sticking by me. I hope you hit that subscribe button and you wait to see what I come out with next, because I don't even know what I'm coming out with next. As I always say, anybody who has any requests, please drop them in the comments below. Any questions, you can also put them down there. I'll probably respond because it's not like I have many people to talk to anyway. I love you all so much. Thank you again.